Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to be a better photographer while you're working every day the normal job. But first, intro. I hope so that you like the perspective, because I'm working today and every other day except the weekend, and we photographers, we don't have a time which we want to have for ourselves. Then, like I said, today we will talk about how to be a better photographer, how to practice photography, because you can be a better photographer just if you practice. Then we need to practice. How we gonna do that if we work all day? One way how to make it's to have camera with you. I don't speak about phone camera, because phone cameras can make something, but when you take the photos with phone, you don't have that feel that you are actually photographing something. Then it will be good if you have one camera with you. It's not matter it's expensive camera or cheap camera or DSLR or compact, or just that you have some camera with you. In my case, my main camera is Nikon D300, very big, very heavy, very robust camera. Then it's not really good to take it every day with you, and you need one more bag, you need everything. Then because of my job and my time and everything, for me it's the best compact camera, and I have one compact camera which I take with me every day, everywhere, because I can put it in the pocket. That camera is Sony RX100. It's older model, the first one of that series, but they have everything what I need. This is the camera which I use, small Sony. This hand grip I made by myself. Then also you have video about that on my channel, you can check out if you want to make it for yourself. We have a lot of styles of photography, a lot of techniques, and a lot of things which some photographers say it's not correct or it's correct. But for me personally, you are the creator. Then if you like something, for sure it's correct. Of course, if you read some books or something about photography, if you look of the style of some other photographers, that is good, cannot be bad. And if you want to copy the style of some other photographer, it's, I think, also good, because in that time when you copy the style of some other photographer, you will develop your style, and also you will practice. What is good? When you find your camera which you love, or which you can afford, it will be good what I make. If you clean that camera and if you go through all of the options which you need, that you can know your camera, because while you're driving you see something what you like, just turn on the camera and make the photo. That is the seconds. You don't have a lot of time because you're driving. Yeah, you need to look at the traffic and you need to look everything else. Then mostly your eyes need to be on the road then to find some composition or to watch something what you like. And you need to be quick, of course. In the first time, maybe 1 month, you will have a lot of missed shots. But if you took shots every day or every second day, for sure, in the short period of time, you will have a good photos for yourself or audience. Then of course, not just on the job, if you have small compact camera, you can take it wherever you go. If you go with bicycle or if you're walking with your family, you always have the camera with you. I also have one cable with me which I use, that I can transfer the photos from my camera to telephone, and of course I can make it better in the Lightroom. And if you use the Instagram or some social media, you can easily post that photo on the social media. I hope so that you enjoy this driving through Switzerland villages and places, and that it's audio goodies, because I'm recording without microphone. It's the microphone from the phone, and I hope so that the audio is good. Also, what will be good, if you want to make progress in your photography, it will be good if you have some project to work on it. It's not to be something really serious, but you can make on monthly period of time, or longer or shorter, of course. It will be good if you have some subject to work on it. Then make for yourself a couple of projects and work on that project. That is good exercise, because you will focus on that and you will develop the techniques to take the photos like that. I don't know, I have one of the projects that I took photos every time when fog is, because I like the fogs, the foggy type, and I always take the cityscapes or just street photography when it's fog. And this taking camera with you and take the shots from the car, it's also some kind of the project, and it's good exercise, because you need to compose very fast, you need to take action very fast. Then when you go to, because I'm first of all landscape photographer, and when I go to the field to make some landscape shots, I have a lot of time for me, because I'm always in a hurry take the shots while I'm driving, then when I have 5 minutes to make one nice shot landscape, that 5 minutes it's like 1 hour. That is good for me because I think fast, I make the shots, and also it's good because in that time when I take the landscape shots, I try to be slow, and then it's some good time for me. Then one more time, if you want to be a good photographer, if you want to advance in photography, you need to take shots every single day. You need to have a camera in your pocket every single day. That is the only way that you can be a better photographer. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and this is one of my first video with the voice. Sorry if it's not good, but it will be better for sure.